gusto ko pa rin maging VA or freelancer kasi yung inisip ko lang sarili ko, client ko, that's it. But right
Mm.
now I have 100 plus people na iniintindi everyday, managing, grabe, DOLE, SSS, Pag-ibig PhilHealth, mga tao, mga clients, mas ano 'to, mas challenging. Pero the good thing is that you are helping the community, which is also good, no? So, ayan, right now, I'm also speaking at conferences in Vietnam, Bali, Indonesia. Next year, I'm going to ano, UK ata 'yon. So, we have a conference this coming September. 13 years pa 'to, but almost 14 years na ako sa almost 15 years na ako sa SEO, 'no? Hindi pa pala na-update. Ayan, and 'yan yung goal din natin dito sa webinar na 'to, guys, is for you to upsell or cross-sell, no, if you're not doing SEO. Miss Mary, tanong ko
Mm.
lang po, ano yung focus na ginagawa ng community natin ngayon?
So all of them are aspiring freelancers. Basically, etong mga audience natin na to, even the ones that are on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, most of my audience are either already freelancers na gusto nang mag-start ng agencies or
Wow.
magsisimula pa lang. So talagang end-to-end yung sinoservice namin na kumbaga mga mentees. Which
Mm.
is kind of challenging because syempre, pag nagsama sa isang class, yung iba nasa page 100 na, yung iba
Mm.
nasa page, minsan negative zero pa. Pero nagagawa naman ng paraan. Kinakaya. Nagiging
Awesome.
mandirigma.
Alright. Yeah, that's good to know. Thank you for ano, for doing that to your community. Grabe, mahirap yung ginagawa ni Miss Mary, guys. Believe me kasi dati I tried to nagtuturo din ako before, no? Ngayon I still have a course but hindi na talaga gaya ng dati. Napakahirap mag-manage ng mga students, and lalo na pag like daily may questions tayo, may webinar every week or sunod-sunod pa, so mahirap.
Tapos
And right
meetings na
now,
with clients,
oo,
yung
hindi
sarili mo
pa
pang client.
ayun, oo. So, challenging. But yun din yung goal natin dito, no? So, pwede natin i-cross-sell yung, let's say for example, right now you are doing social media VA or you have a social media agency. Now you're not doing any SEO, pwede mo siyang i-cross-sell, pwede mong i-add ito as your service. And believe me, you can, let's say you're right now you're generating 100K per month. This SEO services or this SEO knowledge uh, will also important if you want to grow your business, no? You can earn six figures here. Now this is what I'm going to teach you right now as well. So how to get started as an SEO freelancer and earn six figures per month. Now before that, konting knowledge lang about sa SEO para hindi naman diretso tayo. So ito yung nakikita nyo sa screen ko. It's Facebook ads, Google ads, no? So Google, in short, Google. Now if I type in, like for example, ito plumbing in California, may nakikita akong sponsored. That is Google Ads. Hindi yan yung SEO, okay? Pero magkatabi lang sila, merong lang sponsored. So the very first thing na makikita natin sa itaas, it's sponsored. Okay? Merong mga taong nag-a-ads sa plumbing in California na keyword. Ito din, sa Google din to siya, sa ibaba lang ng ads. No? This is called local SEO. Okay? So, in short, local area to siya. Like, for example, ito, plumbing in California. Lahat ng nakikita nating sa results, sa maps is plumber, plumbing, or anything related sa search na to kung nag-rank ka in California, makikita dyan. For example, gusto kong mag-rank sa Manila HVAC. So makikita yung business ko if nag-rank ka. Okay? Focus lang siya sa local area. Now, ito na yung SEO. So, dito yung organic. Sa ibaba lang siya ng ads. Okay? Now, if I type in plumbing in California again, makikita natin yung walang sponsor dito. That is SEO. So, pakita ko dito sa screen para makita nyo. Okay, Nakaano pala siya, no? Hold on. Hindi makita yung isang na-add ko eh. Yan, entire screen. Alright, so for example, if I search for Google, Nike shoes, no? And then, no, wag yung brand kasi syempre si Nike yung makikita. Shoes for men. Now, I type in shoes for men. So ibig sabihin nun, yung mga makikita natin dito is mga shoes. Hindi pwedeng hindi shoes, 'di ba? So ito na yung organic or yung SEO. So yan yung mga nakikita natin. Now let's try another search term. Clothing. Ayan, may nakikita tayong ads dito, 'di ba? Sponsored ads. This is Google Ads, guys. Okay? Sponsored ads, sponsored. So they are paying Google, no? It's either $5, 10, 20, 30. Now they're paying Google. So medyo mahirap kasi they are paying Google, no? Let's say if ikaw yung owner nito, although you are here but paid naman 'yan. So mataas yung binabayaran mo kay Google. And you don't have any traffic unless if you do SEO. Now, andito yung SEO sa ibaba ng sponsored ads ito. Okay? Now, if kayo nag-research or nag online, you're typing in sa Google, pumupunta ba kayo guys sa page 2, page 3, page 4 or hindi? Anyone? Dito sa sa message box natin. 'Di ba? Oo, page 1 lang. So, yun, yung goal natin, yung pinaka-basic nito is ilalagay natin yung business ni client dito sa first page. Kasi once you are here, maraming makaka-visit sa product mo. Or kung meron kang product, e-commerce business, maraming makakabili niyan. If you have a lead generation business, maraming makakuha ka ng leads or brand awareness or traffic, ganun. So, kasi walang nagsisearch sa page 2 eh. Page 3, page 4, no? Ilalagay natin dito sa pinakaitaas ni Google. So, pag andito ka, then maraming makakakita sa business mo. And here are the benefits of SEO. Number one, SEO gives 24/7 promotion. So, bale, as long as nagra-rank ka sa keyword na yan, hindi yan bababa, andun ka lang sa pinakaitaas, no? So kung andun ka sa pinakaitaas, merong, for example, that keyword, meron siyang 1,000 visitor per month. So ganun karami yung mga taong nagvi-visit sa'yo. And they are organic, no? Libre, wala kang binabayaran. So you are promoting but free kasi they are organic. SEO gains more clicks than PPC. 'Di ba yung mga nag-PPC or Google Ads kanina, hindi naman ibig sabihin authority sila eh. Nagbabayad lang sila dun kay Google Ads. Kaya sila andun sa itaas. But yung SEO talaga sa ibaba is mas maraming traffic, no? Mas maraming nagki-click. And number three, it can generate quality leads. So 'di ba if I type sa Google, hindi siya kagaya ni Facebook Ads kasi 'di ba si Facebook Ads or kay Facebook, yung mga ads nakikita lang natin sa wall, 'di ba? Even though we are not interested with that, pinapakita ni Facebook sa atin. Whereas dito kay Google, kung hindi ka nagse-search ng term na yon, hindi mo siya makikita. Bale, they are targeted, may intention ka talaga. Like kasi, kung hindi naman ako naghahanap ng clothing in USA, na bakit ako nagse-search dito ng keyword na to? Siyempre, yan din yung ipapakita natin. May intention. 'Di ba? And they are very targeted compared to Facebook ads and other term and other marketing or ads. Increase brand awareness. If you have a brand, ngayon, you will do SEO, nako, napakaganda niyan. It will boost your brand awareness, increase yung traffic. Fifth, build credibility and trust. If you are ranking number one, marami yung magtitiwala sa'yo kasi you're there, di ba? Compare sa iba. If i-compare natin dalawang website, yung isa nasa first page, yung isa wala, sa kanino sila magtitiwala? Di ba sa'yo? So it can also build brand awareness. And yeah, build credibility and trust. Okay, if you're ranking there. And six helps you to attract local customer. So yung kanina local SEO, if nagra-rank ka doon sa local area dito, marami ka rin maka-attract na local businesses sa area mo. SEO is a long-term strategy. Hindi siya like, oh, okay. Like for example, ads. No, nag-ads ka ngayon, and then bukas pwedeng maka-earn ka nito, pwedeng makapag-results ka ng ganito. But SEO is a long-term game. Gagawa ka dito ng strategy, but the good thing is that since long-term siya, long-term din yung results. Hindi yan like, okay, ngayon, nag-rank ka, bukas wala na. Bukas, nag-rank ka ulit, bukas wala na. Nagsistick yung ranking depende kung paano mo siya or paano yung strategy mo. And no need to pay for ads, no? They are free. Largest source of site traffic. So Google is number one source of traffic. Napakaraming research kay Google. There are billion searches sa Google every single day. Kasi si Google yung pinakamalaking source of traffic. Okay, okay ba dito sa benefits of SEO? Now, how search engine works. Okay, para talaga maintindihan nyo kung paano chine-check ni Google search algorithm yung website mo. First, you publish content, 'di ba? Naglalagay tayo content sa website, 'di ba? Second, merong nagvi-visit sa website mo. Bale kino-crawl siya, no? Kino-crawl 'yan, binibisita 'yan ni Google Boots or spiders pag meron kang content sa website mo. Number 3, nilalagay yan ni Google dun sa algorithm nila, ini-index ka na nila. Bale, you are visible. Like for example, before if you type in your website sa Google, hindi pa nakikita, but ngayon andon na kasi they are indexed. At once na ma-meet ni Google yung mga prerequisite or criterias nila to rank your website at the first page of Google, boom, dun ka niya lalagay sa first page or mag-rank ka na. Okay? Bale, yan yung yan yung search engine works. Okay, so now, in order for us guys to get started and earn 6 figures per month, you need to develop SEO knowledge talaga. That's the first thing. Hindi lang kasi to pwedeng like, okay, kukuha ko ng SEO clients but you don't have any knowledge. Pwede, but you need to partner with like for example, white label SEO provider or white label SEO na mga company like us, no? Partner, bale i-outsource nyo sa amin then kami magtatrabaho ganun. Pero I want you guys to do this 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you're still doing that. If hindi man kayo mag-focus sa SEO, at least cross-sell nyo sa service nyo, then this is also a good win for you. Learn the basics, no? There are a lot of strategies in SEO, but 10 years ago, yung strategy ngayon, still the same. Learn the basics, focus on that. Meron kasi mga tao ngayon is naghahanap ng mga advanced strategy but hindi nila alam yung basic pa rin yung nag-work. Okay? Second, have a mentor. So, ito, marami kasing mga information na nakikita natin sa YouTube, sa Google, 'di ba, sa Facebook, pero iba-iba yung mga sinasabi, no? Yung iba din feeling lang na na magaling. If you don't have any knowledge with SEO, pwede kang maimpluwensyahan ng maraming SEO. So, napakahirap kasi marami yung nagtuturo sa iyo, but pwede kang mag-focus to someone na for nafi-feel mo na this person is for me. So have a mentor or have someone na marunong sa SEO lang and focus on that. You can also learn from that person. Before, way back 2012, bumili ako ng course, no? At nagkakahalaga yan, I guess, ng 60,000 peso. International SEO pa yung binili ko. Kasi that time, wala pang nagtuturo na Pilipino eh. So, bumili pa talaga ako ng SEO course. Pero, yung support, one times per month lang. Tapos, yung support is via email. Bali, nag-ask ako question sa email and then nagre-respond siya once a month. I don't know if siya ba yung coach ko ha. I don't know if siya ba yung nagre-reply pero I doubt kasi busy din yon. So parang EA siguro yung nag-response. Napakahaba. Once a month. Parang useless din. isa sa pinaka-importante yung support. Hindi kagaya ngayon na anytime, like for example, sila ni Miss Mary, you can chat with them anytime you want. Makapag-respond sila if they are not busy, 'di ba? So, marami ng information ngayon. Have a mentor is very important. And by the way, guys, I'm also going to share with you uh, freebies na din dito sa community. We have a community na free for you to learn SEO. Wala kang babayaran sa akin. You have a guide on how to do SEO. Kasi ito is parang pahapyaw lang siya dun sa talaga. Kasi di magkasya yung oras natin. But I'm going to share a training with you guys. Magsisend na lang ako link later on. Okay? Practice on your own project. So for example, if you have a mentor na kapag learn na kayo ng SEO or the basics, you need to practice on that. Okay? Practice sa website nyo, huwag sa client website nyo kasi baka magka-problema. Nako, lagot tayo. 'Di ba? Practice on your own website or projects. Fourth, follow SEO blogs. There are hundreds of SEO blogs na makikita natin online. Follow lang natin yung mga legit ha, yung mga reliable talaga. Makikita mo yan. Nasa first page yung mga reliable. Hindi nag-rank yung mga hindi reliable. Search nyo lang SEO blogs. Okay? Or follow nyo para you will, or mag-subscribe kayo sa newsletter para every week, you will receive a notification for you to learn SEO. Join SEO community. Maraming SEO communities na nasa Facebook groups. You can go there, learn, watch, and then have SEO certificates. So for example, if you starting to learn SEO, medyo meron ka ng alam sa basics, have an certificates kasi importante din to guys for you to have client. Lalo meron kasing mga client naghahanap ng mga certificates, naghahanap ng mga training, ano ba yung mga training mo before, naghahanap ng mga projects, mga previews ng mga clients mo ganon. And lastly, stay updated, no? This SEO is keep changing their algorithm, no? Nagbabago-bago siya. So I want you guys to stay updated. Kaya having having a mentor who can teach you SEO is importante. Dati walang ganito. Kung meron siguro mas maaga ako naging magaling sa SEO. Stay updated. There are a lot of strategy but focus on basics is very important. Okay? So develop SEO knowledge. Ito yung pinaka number one yung pwedeng gawin guys for you to earn 6 figures. Second, build a portfolio. Okay? Build a portfolio. I know, alam niyo naman siguro ano yung website, di ba? Pwede kayong gumawa. Pwede kayong mag-hire ng someone. Merong mga job sites or merong mga platform na mag-hire mo maggawa ng website like 3,000 peso, 4,000 peso, or try mo na lang sigurong gawin, no? Build a portfolio or like yung resume type, meron kasing mga website na resume type, 'di ba, na pwede mong gawin. Like napaka-simple lang niya i-navigate. Like 5 minutes or no, not 5 minutes but 1 hour siguro or 2 hours tapos ka na sa website mo. Merong mga ganon. Kasi for example, if merong nag-apply dun sa job posting, for example, dun sa Odes, or sa Upwork, nag-apply ka, 100 kayo yung nag-apply, no? Iso-sort ng client 'yan. Kung wala kang website, wala kang portfolio, pupunta sila sa ibang tao na merong mga portfolio or website. Check nila 'yon. Okay? So, hindi ka nasama dun sa list kasi wala kang mga ganito. And ito din sa isang experience ko before, no, napaka-simple yung website ko, kumpleto. Now, merong isang nag-apply na napakagaling but hindi siya nakuha. Ako na konti pa yung experience that time na hire ako kasi meron akong portfolio na pinakita or resume type website, no? Makikita nila, oh, this person is very professional. Pero babackupan mo pa rin 'yan kasi pumasa ka nga dun sa first phase na nakita nila dun sa job application but interview ka naman niya. Kung hindi mo naman masagot yung mga questions doon, edi useless pa rin. Pero at least, 'di ba, pumasa ka na sa number 1 na step. Second, papasa mo na lang yung interview and to get client. Third, second, resume type. Yeah, resume type website is fine. Third, credibility and trust. It can also build a credibility and trust. Kasi sa portfolio mo, pwede mong ilagay yung previous job history mo, certificates, mga training seminars na natinan mo before, your good profile picture, makagawa ka ng resume din doon. So, yun lang yung sinisend ko before sa client ko, okay? If I look for a client, yun lang yung sinisend ko, 'di ba? Yung client nagre-require pa ng resume sa email, isisend mo. Meron pang CV, meron pang portfolio din. So, marami. So, gumawa ko before ng resume type website, nandun na lahat, no? Portfolio presentation, nakakapag yeah, it can also show you a good way na makagawa ka ng portfolio type na presentation doon kasi complete siya eh. So your name, your picture, your bio, your information about you, ganon. And it can also provide educational resources like meron din akong blog, no? So I want you guys to build a portfolio. If hindi nyo pa kaya gumawa ng website or resume type website, pwede siguro magsimula kayo sa resume siguro. Meron kayong resume dun muna. And then tsaka nyo na mag-upgrade to having a website soon. Ito yung experience ko ha. I don't know about you, maybe you can get clients without having a portfolio or a website. But for me, ito mas madali kang makakuha ng client if you have a credibility and trust na ipapakita sa kanila. Okay? Alright, guys, yung training natin is not for you to learn everything about SEO kasi wala tayong oras, no? Mas focus lang tayo so how to get started, no? After mong malaman or after mong maka-learn sa SEO with my training, bibigay ko sa inyo ng libre yung training ko. Meron din dong papaano gumawa ng portfolio. Meron din client getting. So, ando na lahat, no? Ayan. Okay, so after nating makagawa ng portfolio, next is client getting. Ito na yung isa sa gusto ko. Gusto ko mag-focus dito eh kasi mas importante to. Isa sa mga problema ng mga agency owners is they really great at skills, no? Magaling sila mag SEO, magaling sila mag marketing, no? Magaling sila mag-manage ng tao, magaling sila mag-develop ng services nila. But the problem is that the sales. So, sales yung isa sa pinaka-importante kasi I know people na napakagaling talaga sa SEO, mas magaling pa sa akin, but konti lang yung clients nila. Why? They don't know about sales. Magaling ka nga sa SEO pero hindi lang naman yung titingnan natin, 'di ba? Ayun. So, client getting, you can start in freelancing websites. Okay? So, no-brainer to guys. Punta ka sa Odesk or Upwork. Sorry. Yung talaga yung nakasanayan ko before. Upwork.com, onlinejobs.ph, search nyo sa Google, marami. No, yung ginawa ko dati, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, gumawa ko ng isang profile, nag-register ako sa lahat ng freelancing websites. Everyday nag-apply ako sa lahat ng freelancing websites, like 5 freelancing websites everyday yan. Hanggang sa, imagine in 1 month gagawin mo yan, imposible wala kang client. Basta prepare mo lang muna yung resume or portfolio mo. Hindi ako maniwala wala kang makuha in just 1 month. Okay? Tapos, same lang, gamitin mo yung resume mo, apply or CV, apply mo, copy paste lang yan. Pero, check nyo pa rin yung job description niya para mag-fit dun dun sa portfolio. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na copy paste lang, baka hindi natugma, so baka hindi ka rin i-hire. No? Start with freelancing websites, collect freelancing websites, 5 to 10 siguro, ganon. Register ka, do it every day. Wala kang client in the first 2 months, okay lang. 'Di ba? Effort lang naman yung nawala sa iyo. Second, Facebook groups. No, there are a lot of Facebook groups na pwede tayong kukuha ng client. Later on, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko 'yan ginawa sa Facebook groups on how to get clients. And then Facebook outreaching din. So, 'yan tuturo ko din siya later on. Nag-outreach kami sa Facebook. Karamihan sa mga clients namin, guys, come from Facebook outreach, Facebook groups, tapos attraction marketing. Later on, ituturo ko yung papaano attraction marketing. And then email outreaching. Ito yung mga ginagawa lang namin ngayon ha. Facebook groups, Facebook outreaching, email outreaching, attend to SEO conferences. By the way, guys, we have an SEO conference this coming September 26 to 29. I have a link here. Miss Mary, pwede ba kung humingi ng link nyo para ma-open natin? Sige po. Oo. Alright, thank you. Ayan, so guys, ito, ma-encourage ko din kayo dun sa SEO conferences. Okay? So you can go here, worldofsearchconference.com, using this link, guys, and dito sa chat box. No? I want you, kung nakikita niyo tong worldofsearchconference.com, wag niyo siyang wag dito, okay? Kasi add niyo yung /13. Why? Kasi para ma-categorize namin kayo na you're coming here from this group, from this community, para dun sa event mismo magkikita-kita tayo doon, magka-categorize tayo doon, okay? So use this link only. Now, ma-recommend ko to, guys, kasi we have 20 plus speakers na pupunta sa event namin, no? Like for example this person, his rate is nasa 1 million in just 2 hours of speak, no? And babayaran mo pa yung travel niya, yung food, yung hotel, at we have 20 plus speakers worldwide, no? Na karamihan dito mga international speakers, and they are doing SEO for like 20 years, 25 years, ganon. So grabe. At I want you to go there as well, guys, kasi this is for you to know na, oops, okay ba talaga si SEO? Baka scam si SEO. Ano ba yung future ng SEO? Kasi dati, kami lang, guys, konti lang kami yung mga gumagawa ng ganitong mga event eh, before merong din gumawa. But ngayon, ito yung pinakamalaking event talaga. Kasi last year, we have 500 plus attendees, if I'm not mistaken, kasama na yung online attendees. So, grabe. And you can meet a lot of friends there, learn from SEO coaches, SEO experts, and meet a lot of friends, networking, no? We can also train advanced strategies, networking. Last April, I I've been in Vietnam. I speak at SEO conference in Vietnam, and then may na-meet akong napakagaling talaga sa SEO. Hindi ko ma-imagine, guys, na after hindi lang naman kami nagkausap nun, kasi siya yung tinitingnan ng lahat ng mga SEOs doon eh. Parang yan, napakagaling, successful. So yung tao na yon, siya yung pinipilahan ng lahat, no? And then nakapag-picture ako sa kanya, and then chinat ko siya sa WhatsApp. Tapos from there, chinat ko pa siya, gusto ko sanang magpatulong, may advice ka ba sa akin sa ganito? Sabi niya, mausap tayo. And then from there, hindi ko akalain, kasi ngayon naging partner ko na siya, no? We have a business partnership na ginagawa ngayon. Napakalaking project. Hindi ako akalain na makukuha ko yung mga ganon sa networking alone by attending conferences. Any conferences, guys, okay? It's either VA conferences, agency, or ito SEO. So sana before ginawa ko na siya. Pero mahirap kasi sa Philippines eh, konti lang or paminsan lang yung mga ganitong events, so pinupuntahan talaga namin. Ayun, marami na kaming projects together, no? We have, grabe, as in, I'm excited sa future, no? So ayun, sinishare ko lang sa inyo, guys, kasi for you to know ano ba talaga yung SEO, 'di ba? Aside from knowing what is SEO, yung behind the scene, no? Yung mga, kasi yung pagkakaalam ko before, yung SEO is parang mga weirdong mga tao na nag-o-online ganon, computer. Pero if you meet them in person, grabe, napakabait, tumutulong pala, nag-share ng ganito. Sa Facebook, hindi nagre-reply, 'di ba? Hindi sumasagot, parang suplado. Pero sa event, nako, napakabait pala talaga. So magkaiba. Ayan. Email outreaching, So, I know you are also familiar with email outreaching, di ba? You need to set up. I have a training for this. Okay? Yeah, sige, sige. Papa-access ko kayo doon, guys, para you will also know. Attend SEO conferences, referral. Now, we have also referral na binibigyan namin yung mga partners. Like, for example, I know you guys into this industry. No, makipag-partner ako sa if you have clients into SEO, no? Pwede nyo dan yan ilapit sa amin. Kami na magtatrabaho niyan, and for the exchange, we'll give you 30% or 40% from the actual amount na close namin sa kanila. And it's win-win for both of us. So yan yung referral marketing. Provide value on social media. Later on, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga post ko sa social media. Okay? Yung SEO, napakalaki. There are thousands of SEO. Sa Pilipinas alone, hundreds of SEO. I don't know, siguro, abot siguro ng 1,000. Hindi ko lang alam, no? Maraming nag-SEO sa Pilipinas. Pero, paano ka mag-stand out? No? You need to have your personal brand. No? So, like for example, itong Apple, di ba? Marami silang mga products. No? Marami silang mga products. At itong Nike din, they sell dreams. They're selling aspirations. Itong Coca-Cola, kung makita nyo sa mga advertisement dun sa TV, di ba? Parang yung familia tumatawa, umiinom ng Coke. That's their brand, no? That's their culture. So for you guys, paano tayo maging unique? Paano natin i-compete yung thousands na nag-SEO? So we need to develop our personal brand. I don't know about you if you're doing this, but if not, then I want you to apply this personal brand thing. Now, like ngayon, nakikita niyo ako, 'di ba? So ano yung personal brand ko? Anyone, you can guess here. Ayun. Ayan, thank you, Miss Mary. Oo, yes. Totoo. Oo, yung cap ko orange, yung t-shirt ko orange. Yung para pa akong si Blippi, oh. Orange din. Ayan, yung cover ko rin, oh, orange din. Oo, pwede dun sa event natin. Oo. So, ayun, have a personal brand, guys, 'di ba? Papaano tayo maging unique? Yes, tama yung sinabi ni Miss Mary, no, na napakalayo ko pa sa mga friends ko. Tinuturo nila, "Uy, si Kirk 'yun, oh. Ayun, puntahan mo, naka-orange." Walang ibang nagka-orange whole. Pero yung pants hindi na orange kasi pangit din tingnan all orange ka, eh. So, bonnet lang tsaka yung t-shirt ko orange. Sabi nila, "Baka isa lang yung t-shirt mo." Naku, marami, 20 yung t-shirt kong orange. Pero iba-iba din 'yon. Same lang na logo, same lang na color, pero iba-iba, guys, nagbibihis din ako. So, yeah, for me, personal brand is not only about color, font, but for me, how you value yourself, how you perceive yourself sa mga taong nakakausap mo, sa mga clients mo. Sino sino ka sa harapan nila, sino ka kapag nakatalikod ka sa kanila, no? That's you. That's your personal brand, that's your uniqueness. So, you need to find that, you need to build your personal brand. Kasi sa SEO napakarami talagang nag-SEO. Sa SEO na industry, maraming mga taong doing the same thing all over again, no? So paano tayo maging unique? Case study, I want you to build your case studies as well. This is advanced. Now, paano kayo kukuha ng case study? Simple lang, you need to have friends, no, na merong website, or you have a client na pwede mo siyang bigyan ng trial, like, "Hey client, gusto mo ba mag-free ako ng SEO sa'yo? Wag mo na akong bayaran. Gusto ko lang ma-apply itong strategy ko sa SEO." Kapag nag-rank yan, meron ka ng case studies. Gawin mong case studies yung portfolio mo or yung ginawa mo sa kanila, no? Prospects mo, pwede mong i-freebie 'yon. friends, I know you have friends na merong website or pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mong website, apply mo yung SEO. Kasi guys, yung labanan ngayon din is yung case studies or sample. Ano ba yung keyword na na-rank mo, papakita mo yon. Okay? And offer free SEO audit. By the way guys, i-share ko na lang dito para kasi andito pa yung yes po. Um, actually ako rin eh. So, yes, actually sige po. Oo, or Esther kasi she's there in the other room. So, and she's working. Yeah, but we have a discount. I'm not really sure lang pero parang 20 ata 'yun eh. Mm. I'm I'm involved. Oo, I'm involved kasi sa other part ng conference. So they are doing this. Ako naman dun sa mga speakers, talking about partnerships, gano'n. So ito, send ko 'to sa inyo guys, itong link. So ito na lang, fill up na lang kayo dito, 'no, I'll send this link. Ito, kirkroldan.site, add ko lang dito sa message. Ayan, apa ayan, tapos pin, ayan, oo, naka-connect siya. Yes, oo, 'yan yung ano, kasi the reason why ito yung sinend ko sa inyo guys, hindi yung website address talaga. Kasi kapag dun bilhin mo talaga siya, 'di ba? So, 'wag na kayong magbayad. So, sign up na lang kayo dito para ma-add namin manually in 24 hours makapag-access na kayo dun sa dashboard, with the training. So, makikita niyo yung link, invitation coming from Search Engine Mastery Circle. My name din, and then ito yung makikita nyo as invited you to join the Search Engine Mastery from this email. At by the way guys, yan, you can also subscribe me on my channel kasi ginugro ko yung channel ko for training and purposes din. Alright, so ayun, thank you. Thank you for that. Kasi itong free SEO audit kasama doon. So sa mga newbie, sa mga walang knowledge pa talaga sa SEO, itong free SEO audit alone, you can learn SEO. Why? Kasi yun nga, in the word checklist, free SEO checklist, andun na lahat eh. Like papaano papaano mag-audit ng website, papaano mag-check ng on-page SEO, technical SEO, or anything. Check mo na lang siya. Okay? And you can also offer free SEO audit for your clients. Nang libre lang. Wala kang babayaran, and then gamitin mo tong checklist na to audit your prospect website, and pag nalaman nila yon, or pwede mo din tong ibenta kasi yung SEO audit na checklist namin, meron ng data ng client, aabot siya sa 20 to 35,000 peso. Just to do the audit, just to check the status and add simple notes lang para maintindihan nila yung issue ng website. Okay? So, bale itong SEO audit na to, checklist, check lang natin yung problem ng website. And then, i-offer natin yung mga solutions na yung service nyo sa SEO. Ganun. But this is included, guys. Okay? So, okay, continue lang to dun sa SEO positioning natin kanina about sa branding. So, you need to specialize, no? Let's say, for example, I'm going to do everything in SEO. Walang gano'n, 'no? So you need to specialize. Like for example, focus lang ako sa keyword research, focus lang ako sa on page, focus lang ako sa content SEO. You need to specialize with that one para makilala ka ng mga tao na that person is napakagaling when it comes to link building. Industry related, if you are into or kung lawyer ka ngayon, kung nasa real estate ka, focus ka on that industry kasi gusto mo yan eh, 'di ba? Gusto mo yung industry na yan. So, SEO takes dapat mag-SEO tayo, years dapat natin yung gawin. Years, 20 years pa, nag-SEO pa rin. Kaya wag lang yung 2 years hindi na tayo mag-SEO, 'di ba? Or businesses, if you are into local business, pwede mong subukan, focus ka sa local business, SEO. Okay? Pwede din mix, guys. Let's say for example, I'm going to focus on uh, local businesses only by doing link building. Yan, pwede. Or e-commerce focus content SEO, pwede mo din 'yang gawin. No, wag lang talaga lahat ng gagawin mo lahat na lang sa SEO. Anything na trip mo gusto mong gawin kasi pwede din naman pero gaya ka ng 1,000 na nag-SEO. Pareho kayo. But you need to be unique here. Have an offer. Okay? So, ito yung offer, gagawa ka ng sarili mong offer. For you guys, what is an offer, anyone? Offer. Pwede. Yes. Yes, yes, gano'n. Yes. Yan. Thank you, Jules. Mm. Oo. Magagaling. Oo. Thank you, thank you. So, yeah, kasi sa SEO, we need to create an offer. No, hindi lang 'yan na, okay, ano lang ako, mag-SEO lang ako and then i-offer ko 'tong mga deliverables. No. For me, SEO is not or for me offer, uh, if you're providing services or if you're providing deliverables or this is my rate, hindi siya yung offer, no? The right way is how you can or what can you provide to those clients, no? With your service. Ano ba yung makukuha nila? Ano ba yung outcome after 5 months or 3 months? Ano ba yung result na makukuha ko by partnering with you? So you need to think about it not only the deliverables kasi everyone providing deliverables eh. Paano tayo maging unique? Okay, so from there, makagawa ka ng strategy, hanapin mo yung offer na yan, yung uniqueness ng yan yung sinabi nyo kanina na unique value proposition, no? How can you help a client, ganon. So that's very important, guys, okay? All right, so nandito na pala tayo sa client getting, no? So, okay, ito for example, Facebook outreach, no? So ito, naging client namin to, guys, no? Again, Tom, this person, nakausap na namin siya a couple of months ago. However, nag-follow up kami, hindi na siya nag-response, no? Pero hindi kami sumuko. So nag-send pa rin kami ng follow up. Ayan, send me information and packages. And gumawa ako ng video dito, pero ano na 'to, built-in na, like ginawa ko na before. Pinakita ko lang sa kanya, sinabihan ko lang siya na, "I created a video for you. How much is a plan as I have many website," no? So this person, nakuha kami ng 5 clients alone sa kanya. Kasi meron siyang 5 businesses, eh. So imagine Facebook outreaching is working, guys, okay? So ayan, Facebook outreach siya. Eto, LinkedIn outreach. So, LinkedIn nagwo-work din siya. Eto, so bale, yung pitch namin is parang partnership, hindi yung parang kagaya sa iba na, okay, we do SEO, ganito yung ginagawa namin, hindi. So, bale, kasi we are into white label. So, white label is that, let's say for example, we need to partner with agency owners then. Kasi before, we are SEO specialists or we are an SEO agency. Pero, makapag-compete kasi kami sa ibang SEO agency, eh. So, ayokong i-present yung sarili natin as an SEO agency, as an white label SEO para instead of telling your agencies na kompetensya tayo, we are a partner dito. So, right now kapag makikita ko ng mga agency or uy, parang yung potential client kasi they don't need to build their own agency. You don't need to become an expert in freelancing SEO, but you can partner with us by yeah, we will do the fulfillment. We will rent an office kasi may office na kami. We will do all the work for you. Di-deliver mo lang yung trabaho namin sa mga clients mo. So yan yung ginagawa namin Okay, like yung outreach namin dito kay Lou. So, yung ibang clients na kuha namin, one time lang meron kaming 10 client by outreaching. Meron kami nakuhang 15 clients at ngayon meron pa kaming gino-goal kasi meron na kaming pitch sa isang company na they have 50 clients, no? And we are going hopefully no makukuha namin 'yon. And meron pa isang company din na kinakausap namin, they have 100 clients. So, goal namin is ipapasok na 'yun sa amin para meron na kaming gano'n karaming clients. Gano'n yung goal namin, bultuhan, hindi yung isa-isa, no? Ayan, ito din si Mark. Yeah, 'yan nagtatanong ng ETA and pricing. Follow-up, importante din yung follow-up. Hindi ibig sabihin ng hindi na siya nagre-reply, wala na siyang interest sa'yo. Baka busy lang. Kasi 'di ba, nasa online lang tayo, hindi natin alam yung mga ano natin ginagawa. So baka busy lang, hindi nag-reply ngayon, baka after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, follow up mo lang 3 to 5 times, okay? Pag hindi na talaga nag-reply, add mo siya sa email sequence mo kasi i-email mo na lang siya automated. Wala ng promotion but pure value na lang. At least nakuha mo pa yung leads. Okay, so ayan, we are almost done here guys, no? And yeah, scaling your business. Before we will discuss the scaling, gusto ko lang tuturuan kayo. Miss Mary, meron pa tayong time? Alright, okay, sige, thank you. So, ayun, nakita niyo ba profile ko guys ngayon, 'di ba? So, now, kasi pwede nating pagkakitaan ng pera yung profile natin. I don't know about you guys, kasi yung profile ko ginawa kong money making machine eh. Oo. Pwede kasi yan, no? Now, how? Yung question is how. So, for example, the first thing you can do, ngayon, binago ko na yung profile ko. No, before, nung wala pang conference namin, ito pa siya. Diba? The best white label SEO services for reseller agencies. Okay? And then, ayan, cover na yan. So, every time someone is interested to to add me as their friend, makikita nila yung cover ko na okay, this person is doing white label SEO. And then kapag kiniklik nila yung cover na yan, makikita yung website URL, makapunta sila dun. So that's also a good thing na pwede niyong gawin guys. Ayan, no? Now, kung meron kayong picture dito na aso, pusa, or kahit na ano na lang, change nyo yan guys kasi hindi na yan uso. Ngayon, di ba, yung goal natin is to get clients. So, papaano natin yan gawin? So, even though this is very basic, guys, pero konti lang yung gumagawa nito. No? Konti lang. Change nyo yung profile nyo, pakakitaan yung profile nyo, guys. At may nabasa kong libro na dapat kung ganun karami or kung ilan yung followers natin, like for example dito, 11,000 followers. So, dapat kumikita din ako ng $11,000 sa mga followers ko. Ganun daw dapat yung pag-compute ng followers. Sabi nila. Yung sa book na nabasa ko, okay, USD daw. So ayun. And then optimize mo yung profile, yung intro mo, lagay mo yung kung ano yung ginagawa. Let's say if you want to apply to add SEO, add mo dito white label SEO. Tapos yung URL, lagay mo diyan. Kasi every time someone will visit your profile, makikita niya agad yan and then i-click na lang niya. Okay? And then ngayon, we are focusing with conferences. So, yung konti na lang yung post ko about sa SEO, sa mga meme. Pero at least may post pa rin ako, no? But before, without posting conferences, yung pwede nyo tong gawin din guys ha. It's a combination of meme, testimonial, motivational, how-to videos, or mga reels, value, na into that industry. If you're doing SEO right now, gawin mo 'yan araw-araw, no? And not only in Facebook, pwede mo kasing ma-repurpose 'yan sa other social media. So, itong content na 'to, repurpose mo sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa LinkedIn, sa X, ganun. Para ma-repurpose yung content mo. Okay? And then dito, add mo yung mga URL if meron ka. And then, yan, magpo-post ka dito guys every day if possible. If wala ka pang like Kung wala ka pang client ngayon, then it's fine, no? This is, by the way, this is applicable sa lahat ng business, no? Hindi lang sa SEO. Kasi the moment na makikita ng mga tao na oh, si Kirk o nagpo-post ng SEO, maybe that person is doing SEO, maybe that person is great when it comes to SEO kasi palagi siyang nagpo-post ng SEO eh, no? Palagi siyang nagpo-post ng SEO. So baka magaling siya, baka expert talaga siya. No, ito, 5K, 5.7K a month, one SEO client lang siya. By the way, papakita ko din sa inyo yung mga rates para makita nyo kung ano yung rate na pwede nyong i-sell sa mga clients nyo. Okay? Kasi, like, for example, now, I have 4,999 friends here. Kapag, yeah, di ba, nagpo-post tayo, makita nila ito. So, there are people na makikita din ang post ko. Gawin ko lang siya paulit-ulit na makikita nila, oh, this person is expert siguro to. No? Kasi palagi ako nakikita ng mga post niya. Sa SEO, siguro magaling tong taong to. No? From there, hindi ka pa nag-outreaching guys ha, hindi ko pa tinuro yung Facebook outreaching. But this person is interested to partner with me. So, ayan, ginagawa ko rito is attraction marketing. Hindi ako nag-outreach but pinapakitaan ko lang sila ng mga post ko dito sa profile. And then I will let them contact me, I will let them outreach me kasi I'm providing them value. Okay? Post lang tayo ng value sa profile natin and let them buy our service. Yan yung isang strategy, yung attraction marketing, no? But hindi to pwede kung hindi optimize yung profile mo. So, ayan, cover, papalitan mo na yung mga pusa dyan, no? Ng mga cover photo nyo, mga animals. Lagay mo yung picture mo. If you have an offer na pwede kang mag-blue check, mas maganda kasi pag nag-outreaching ka, mas magkakatiwalaan ka nila kasi you have a blue check here. So, ayan. And then, yeah, if meron ka ng optimized profile, diyan ka pa mag-send ng mga outreaching kasi bibisitahin nila yung profile mo. After mo nag-message sa kanila, bibisitahin yung profile mo. Pag nakita niya, uy, this person is doing SEO, marami siyang nag-likes, marami siyang followers, marami siyang content about SEO, how about I'm going to try this person? Pag hindi optimize yung profile mo, wag kang mag-Facebook outreach, baka walang mag-reply sa'yo, sasabihin ka pa na pusher or scammer, di ba? So, ayan. And then, yeah, I encourage you guys to go to SEO groups, no? So, SEO groups. Search nyo lang yan. Wag dun sa mga groups na mga scam. Meron kasi mga Pakistani groups na mga nagbebenta lang ng mga tools, ng mga scam, mga services. Wag doon. Marami kasing mga legit din na mga SEO groups, guys. So, kaya mafe-feel mo yan. Once nag-visit ka dito, mafe-feel mo yan. The moment na makita mo mga posting lang about sa selling tools, tapos walang mga nag-engage, walang mga ano dito, then kahit maraming members pero walang engagement, so baka this group is not for you. Yan no, nagbebenta lang ng mga mga Arabo or mga Pakistani, Indian na mga nagbebenta lang, no. So I'm not going to go to this group. Hanap ka, mapi-feel mo yan, guys. Ayan, try natin to, the proper SEO group. Ayan. Ito isang magandang group din to. Nandito yung mga experts sa SEO. So what you can do here, ganito, no? There are multiple ways na pwede mong gawin. Ayan, ito muna kasi hindi ko pa nakalimutan. SEO Philippines. Kasi dito sa SEO Philippines or other SEO, pwede ka rin dito, guys. Instead na nag-apply ka dun sa mga job posting, mga freelancing websites, pwede mo dito, pwede kang mag-search dito SEO. And then may mga Pilipino din na nagpo-post dito na, we are hiring SEO specialist. Ayan o, 70 to 80K, isang client lang, Diyos ko po. 'Di ba? Pag nakuha tayo dito, why not, 'di ba? Ayan, ito din, matagal na to, 2022. Ayan o, 4 hours ago. So, instead nag-apply ka sa online jobs, dito ka mag-apply. 'Di ba? Apply ka sa lahat, online jobs, Facebook, punta ka sa mga groups, outreach. Gawin mo 'yan, guys. So, yung goal namin sa isang tao, sa isang account, like for example ito, yung identity ko is Kirk Roldan sa lahat ng channels. dapat makapag-send kami ng 100 outbound outreach a day. It's either email, it's either Instagram outreach, LinkedIn outreach, sa email. Hindi kasama yung email kasi everyday makapag-send kami ng hundreds of emails eh. Mga social media post, social media outreaching lang, okay? Like ito, magkapag-outreach ako sa kanya, so it counts as one, no? So dapat nakapag 100 kami, yan yung tinuturo ko sa team namin na dapat 100 a day. Tapos ayan, usually yung balik nito sa amin is every day meron kaming 10 leads minimum. Before we have 40 leads, grabe. Yung leads guys, for me it's like not a cold leads ha. Yung cold leads is yung mga taong hindi nakakilala sa iyo, walang interest, pero they are hot leads, no? Yung mga taong nagkaka-interest sa services mo. Ganun. Okay? Hanap tayo ng mga hot leads. So punta ka sa mga SEO groups. One way is to find job posting. Yan yung isang way. Second, punta ka sa mga legit groups. Okay, ito yung strategy ko sa'yo. Like, punta ka dito. They have members. Okay? And then, go to those people na mga CEO, mga founder. No? Like, for example, punta tayo sa mga decision makers. Okay, guys, this is applicable sa lahat ng industry, hindi lang sa SEO. Like for example, hanap ako ng mga decision maker, mga CEO, mga owner, mga founder, mga COO, because they can decide. Like for example, this one, founder at Service Launcher, no? We are serving local businesses, so for us they are fit. Click mo lang yung add friend kasi if na-add mo na siya, i-accept ka niya, nagpo-post ka ng content sa profile mo, 'di ba? Makakita na sila sa mga content mo na nilalagay online. Attraction marketing again, 'di ba? Yan yung isang way. Second, pwede mo din siyang i-message. Okay? I suggest guys, ganito, so kung yung Facebook mo, minimum makapag-send ka ng 8 messages per hour. Okay? 8 messages per hour. So, sa isang araw, meron tayong 8 hours, 'di ba? If nagtatrabaho tayo, 8 hours diyan. So every day, every hour meron kang 8 messages. Wag lang more than that kasi baka ma-suspend yung account mo. At kung nag-send ka, lagyan mo ng extra time. Like ngayon nagpakapag-send ako ng dalawa diretso. Bagyan mo ng 5 minutes muna, wag diretso kasi baka ma-suspend yung account mo. Yan, director, founder, business owner. Apply mo to guys. So kung yung group mo is related sa social media, marketing or lead gen, then maghanap ka ng mga groups na related doon. Wag itong SEO, 'di ba? So SEO lang yung natin. And then, yan yung isang strategy. Another strategy is that if you're really good at SEO na and you know how to reply with this, not that, but and you know how to reply with a question like ito. Nagtatanong, I have a location page. Wag yan kasi wala siyang anonymous siya eh. Wag yan. Okay, ito, si William. My website has hundreds of pages. Suddenly, I see this weird 127 not index pages. Okay? So, if alam mo pa paano sagutin to, what you can do here, guys, is to response to that person. Again, ma-apply mo to sa ibang mga industry. So, add mo lang dyan. Pwede mo siyang itag, di ba? Para si Williams mismo ma-trigger or makita yung notification na sinagot mo siya. Okay, and then itong mga tao na to makikita ka rin niya and there are 45,000 I guess or 43,000 na tao. Nagsuscroll siya like yung ginagawa ko ngayon na nakikita ng mga tao yung response ko dito tapos maganda yung pagkasagot ko at siguro kung ako naghahanap din ng SEO, i-message ko si Ron. Kasi Ron is a good provider of information or knowledge. No? So si Ron, check ko si Ron, may message ko siya. Ayan no. Na-email ko pala si Ron. Ayan oh. Email me some info. Ayan oh. So nag-pitch pala kami before. Tapos hindi ko nasagot, sayang baka naging client ko 'to siguro, 'di ba? Ayan, so another thing, may-message ko si Ron, 'di ba? "Hi Ron, grabe galing mo. Ano ba yung mga services na meron ka?" Or if I'm that person na nagso-scroll ngayon, che-check ko si Ron. Ano ba yung profile ni Ron? 'Di ba baka scammer siya, 'di ba? So che-check ko 'yan. Kung ganito yung profile mo and you're doing SEO, hindi ako magkaka-interest sa'yo. Why? Kasi hindi naman 'to related sa business mo, eh, 'di ba? That's number one. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung industry mo, ano yung siniserve mo. But dito guys sa intro makita natin na they are into digital marketing. Ah, okay, consultant siya. Okay, that's still good pa rin. But hindi fully optimized yung profile niya. Next up, okay, founder siya ng SEO. Meron siyang mga websites dito. Yung mga postings siya is hindi siya nagpo-provide ng value sa profile niya. And then yung mga post niya is hindi talaga related at matagal na. So for me, okay, goods kasi nagre-respond siya dun. But for me, I'm not really interested with that person, no? Kasi hindi niya na-meet yung total goal ko. Yan yung mindset ng tao, no? So, believe me guys, this strategy works. Napakasimple lang to pero konti lang yung gumagawa ng Facebook optimization hub or continuation na to sa branding. Okay? Ayan. Then nakita ko yung profile mo maganda, meron kang value na pinrovide and then the next thing na gagawin ko is i-message kita, "Hey Ron, grabe. Thank you sa pagsagot sa question ko kanina. And then ano ba yung service na ino-offer nyo?" Gano'n, 'di ba? Gawin mo 'yan. Gawin mo 'yan guys, like makapag-response ka lang, 10 response sa group na 'to at 'wag ka lang magpo-promote dito kasi baka iba-ban ka, no? Just pure value, walang promotion kasi the people who are interested in your service or the people who's looking into you, nakikita niyo yung value na pino-provide mo, kahit 'wag mo akong bentahan, bibili ako sa'yo. Kasi you provide value, eh. Nakikita kitang magaling diyan, okay? So, join to those legit Facebook groups. Kung meron kang Facebook o kung meron kang friends ngayon, tapos that person is toxic, that person is providing negativity sa life mo or sa mga posts sa social media mo, delete that person or kung yung tao is hindi nakakapag-contribute sa iyo guys, delete mo 'yan kasi you need to have friends na makakapag or merong value sa iyo or nakapag-provide ng value sa iyo. Okay? Or yeah, delete mo na. Delete mo kahit classmate mo pa 'yan ng high school or college, hindi naman kayo close, bakit ka andito sa profile ko, 'di ba? So, delete mo 'yan. Ngayon nga ako full na, so magde-delete uli ako ng mga friends later on. Kasi I'm sure kahit full pa 'yan, meron ka talagang tao na hindi ka kilala do'n or hindi mo close. So, delete mo lang, okay lang 'yan. Okay, and then you need to have room for other people, guys. So, add mo yung mga mga Amerikano or mga CEO, mga founder kasi they are the one who can or they are anonymous and you don't know them pero sila pa yung mga tao yung usually nagtitiwala sa iyo compare sa mga friends mo na hindi nagsusupport man lang. Okay? So that's a tip guys. Ulit-ulitin mo lang yung process na to in just 1 month. I'm sure meron ka ng client, believe me. Okay, last slide tayo. Scaling. Once meron ka ng client, nakapag-build ka na ng profile mo, meron kang website, meron ka ng sigurong hindi mo na ma-manage kung meron ka ng 10 clients, guys. Believe me, hindi mo na ma-manage 'yon. Now, that's the time you can scale your business. Ano ba yung scaling? Scaling means getting more people, team members or VAs. Meron ka ng own company na meron kang VAs. Nagdadagdag ka ng clients mo, that's still scaling. You're offering multiple services. You have more budget now, that's scaling, okay? So you need to build a team kung hindi mo na kaya. Like yung capacity lang na kaya mo as a one-man team is 5, then nagsi-7 ka na, that's the time you can build your team so you can focus on getting clients na lang and let them do the work, focus on getting clients. Yun yung ginawa ko before. Paano ko nag-transition from being a freelancer to an agency owner. Wag ka diretsong mawala guys, okay? Nawala ka sa proseso by doing the work kasi meron ka ng tao but you will still doing the most hard part which is getting client. Okay, getting client but then again you still learn those SEO thing. Wag mong kalimutan na nag-SEO ka pa rin. Okay, build a team. Wag kang mag-hire ng 5 o wag kang mag-hire ng 5 diretso. Isa muna. And then the moment na hindi na makaya ng isang tao na yon with you, hire ka ulit ng isa. Okay? Hire ka ulit ng isa. So, ganun yung pwede niyong gawin. Huwag kang mag-hire agad ng 5, baka hindi mo kaya yung budget mo after 2 months, wala ka ng business, 'di ba? Hire ka muna ng isa. Second, automate repetitive tasks. So, in SEO, there are tools na you can use. No, multiple tools to check the traffic, to check the business info, to check anything. So, automate mo yan or have a VA that can do those tasks. Expanding services like yung ginagawa nyo ngayon, if you're doing social media or lead generation or Facebook ads, you can also cross-sell it to services like SEO. So, for you to have more money making services. Okay. Lastly is recurring revenue. Okay, so since I'm saying about recurring revenue, guys, no, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung like paano or how much yung pwede nyong kitain sa SEO. Ito, isang slide lang to. Ayan. Okay, so ayan, bundled package. No, meron tayong tinatawag na bundled package. Yung bundled package, meron siyang basic, advanced, at full services. So sa basic package lang guys, meron ka ng $500 to $700 a month per client to ha. Now the good thing with SEO is long term siya. Hindi ka pa makapag-result 2 months, 3 months. But usually nasa 6 months 'yan. So meron ka ng 6 months contract na client. Okay, 6 months contract client na. Imagine if you have 5 clients na meron kang contract na 6 months. So meron ka ng, 'di ba, malaking pera. 'Di ba? Per month 'yun. Okay? So this is basic, 500 to 700. This is for startup. Advanced package. So you can rate your service into 1,000 to 2K is dollar a month per client per website. Okay? So if you know SEO na, you can do or you can provide this rate. Now, if you want to offer the full service SEO campaign, now pwede mo itong i-rate ng 2,000 to 5,000 a month per client. Goods ba? Ayan, yan yung pwede nyong kitain guys, okay? I know people na nagre-rate sila more than this. Like yung iba, kapag nakakuha ka ng big brands guys, pwede mong kitain 500,000 one client lang or 700,000 makakuha ka ng malaking clients. Yeah, believe me, one client lang, okay? Marami akong friends na freelancers. Yeah, freelance pa yun guys ha. Ngayon meron na siyang agency na malaking brand. Kilala niyo kung anong brand na hindi ko nasasabihin at yung tao din mismo. Na SEO siya. Babae. Napakagaling. 500,000 plus yung rate niya. If I'm not mistaken. Isang client lang. Mm. Yan, pwede niyo din tong i-rate guys. Outreach talaga is very important. Wag lang tayo mag-depend dun sa mga job sites or sa Facebook nag-a-apply tayo, but outreach talaga is very important, no? And yeah, recurring revenue is a recurring revenue every month you can earn 6 figures. Yan lang yung ginagawa ko guys, very basic but this is working for me and I know this is also working for you. I guess that would be all my presentation for tonight and I hope you learned from this guys. And I hope you're going to apply this to your business kasi nagawa ko na siya and duplicate nyo na lang. Mm. Yes. Mm. Wow.
Hello po.
Hello.
Walang
Hello,
camera.
Miss Junie.
Hello, sir.
Oo.
Ang
Sige
daming
po.
new learnings, nakakatuwa.
Sige po. Ano yung question niyo po, Miss
Wala
Junie?
naman akong question pero I'm happy naka-join ulit ako. Very
Kala ko kung
busy.
anong chika ni Junie. Oh, kasi 3 yung client niya dun. Sabi ko, ang
Oh,
ganda nung
wow.
targeting niya. Ang ganda nung targeting niya because kakaunti ang nagawa ng ano, sa
Yes po.
Japan
Puro
market.
Japanese.
Mm, I
Mm.
love
Gumawa
it.
ako ng SEO checklist na in Japanese siya. Yun lang ang
Oh,
pinapakita ko.
grabe.
Kasi kailangan eh. Yun lang ang pinapakita ko tapos ayun. At saka makapal ang mukha ko. Face to face
Partida
ang
din 'yan.
interview ko. Oo. Face to face ang interview ko.
Wow. Bale
Kahit
ano,
mali-mali Japanese.
grabe. Ayos 'yan, ah. Sinabi ko nga
Nakakaloka yun.
sinabi ko nga kapag nasa US ako, siguro hindi din ako mahihiya mag door to door. Offer ko yung service ko door to door talaga.
Okay.
Yeah, kasi malayo tayo.
Guys, meron bang may questions? Questions? Anyone? Wala? Okay. If walang question, you know what to do. Camera on, please. We will have our family picture for the attendance. Everyone, I wanna see everyone. Required talaga tayo, Day. Simulan na natin dun sa ating ano. Okay? Camera on. Si Aaron Paul, ano na rin yan. Dumadali na rin ng SEO yan. No, minsan pa yan namang problema kasi mobile SEO na yung gusto niyang gawin. Ano ba naman? Wala bang mahirap-hirap pang itatanong? Nakakaloka. Okay. Walang kamang computer. Nako, Jean. Simulan mo na. Okay. Ready na ba ang lahat? Okay, we will start with unang picture, walang ngipin. Smile lang. Very nonchalant ang atake. Teka, hold on. Yan. Nonchalant lang ang atake. Camera on, everyone. Ito na naman yung ina nyo. Hindi na naman sanay mag-picture. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this time may ngipin naman yung smile. May ngipin, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1. Okay, tayo po lahat. One by one, whole body na po ang requirements natin. Ito talaga yung pang ano. Oh, layo na. One by one, whole, tinatawanan ako ni Maricel. Di ba, ano, Aaron, ginagawa talaga natin yon. One by one, whole body. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much everyone for joining our live today. Salamat din doon sa mga nasa Facebook. I know may mga questions dito. Hindi daw marinig. Ano, ay, may question pala dito. Last na to, sir. Dapat ba IT graduate para matutunan ng SEO?
No, no. Same sa akin, I'm a nursing graduate. Wala akong
Mm-mm.
knowledge talaga in-depth sa alam ko lang computer, no? Basic computer, mouse, keyboard, research, gano'n lang. And then learn from there. So wala talagang extra knowledge or extra skills into IT. So kung IT ka, yun mas advanced ka na compared sa akin, no?
Okay. Perfect. Perfect yon. Okay. So, everyone, if may questions pa kayo, before I forget, I just confirmed with Miss Esther. So, if you guys are interested to come join me, my whole team actually, they're all coming. Meron yung si Adi, which is yung coach namin for SEO, she's flying in. And she's
Wow.
actually upgrading Sir Kirk pala. I-ano ko na lang siguro, i-sidebar ko na lang later yung question. But she's joining yung pinakang VIP with the dinner. So i-upgrade niya yung access niya from live in person to yung VIP. Merong iba't ibang packages, guys. I'd probably just create a TikTok video to discuss all of the packages. But this is this coming September 26 to 29. Saan nga tayo, Sir Kirk?
Okay, the conference is on September 26 to 29. Bale, 2 days, 26 to 27, we have a mastermind. Hindi pa na final yung place natin,
Mm-mm.
but 28 and 29 dun tayo sa Heritage Hotel, Manila.
Okay, perfect. And
Mm.
then, yung 28 to 29, ang wala pa tayong location. O baka
Ano,
doon na din.
meron na. 28, 29 meron na, but 26 and 27
Yun
wala
ang
pa.
ano. Well,
Mm.
okay, perfect. Gotcha. All right. So if you guys want to grab tickets, I'll just mag-message na lang kayo sa Facebook. Ipopost ko na rin lang mamaya. Um, and then, yung questions kanina ni Thay at saka ni Ashley, if you guys use the coupon code BloggyMary20, you get 20% off pa, slashed off the
Wow,
price. So, ang taray. Yung gusto ko yung
dami.
konting Miss Esther McKenna.
Oo.
May mag-message talaga. Okay. So, yun lang guys. I'll just create a separate video for the event. I hope that you enjoyed yung session natin with Sir Kirk. Sir Kirk, pwede ba kaming mag-request ng isa pa? Kasi alam ko magaling ka sa pagbibuild ng agency eh. Baka lang pwede
Sige
pang
po. Yes, ano po 'yun, Miss Mary?
ay, ano,
Isang
i-message ko na lang.
sige
Yung
po,
ano,
sige po.
kasi baka
Training
pwedeng ano,
training about
training,
agency.
yeah,
Sige.
building agency, kaya natin, no?
Oo,
Sige. Gusto
'yan
niyo
yung
yan,
ano,
guys?
'yan yung mas comfortable din ako ngayon kasi 'yan yung fino-focusan ko,
Mm.
business development sa company namin.
Okay. Gusto ko yon. So guys, sige, try nating i-ano. Ngayon ko lang naisip, sabi ko, and since marami na dito yung, ano, papunta na dun sa side na yon. So, it would be beneficial for the community na magkaroon ng gano'n. Sige, iset natin 'to, VIPs, ichi-chika ko na lang sa inyo lahat. Gusto ko si Aaron. I like it very, very, very much. Gusto ko yung comment na yan. Okay. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Sir Kirk, maraming 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 salamat po. I know that napaka-busy mo ngayon, but spending an hour and a half to share what you know about SEO, how to get started as a freelancer and build a profitable business using SEO. It's very helpful for our community. Huwag kang magsasawa, Sir Kirk. May isa pa kaming
Oo.
hihirit, ha?
Sige
Thank you,
po,
thank
oo,
you.
sige gawin natin 'yan. And also thank you so much everyone for joining tonight. Appreciate your time. And also Miss Mary, thank you for inviting me here. Grabe, ganda ng community mo, ang active. So, yeah, see you again
Yes.
next time.
Mga batang may laban yan. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Bye everyone. Bye Miss Mary. Thank you.
Bye po.